We are now going to make some additional improvements to our metaverse. So if we look at what we've done so far, we've added the functionality to move around using the mouse. We have the opportunity to be able to resize the window based on the size of the browser window that you can see, but there's some elements that we can still improve. For example, let's go back to the code. If we look at the web3.js and index.js, we're featuring this contract address. That's a smart contract, and it's here. Here's the address. What that means is that whenever we change a new smart contract, like we deploy the smart contract, we have to change the address at web3.js and at index.js. So those are two places, and you can make a mistake because if you have the address in different places, well, it might wind up being a problem because if you forget to change it one place, the way we're going to change this is we're going to create a brand new file inside the src folder called contract params for parameters.js. So inside that file, we're going to do an export of a variable that's going to be smart underscore contract underscore address. And here we're going to put the address of the smart contract. Okay. So what that's going to let us do is that we can just make reference to that address, and you just change it here. Once we change it there, it will automatically be referenced in the other two files, okay? It's gonna be a lot cleaner. The way we're gonna get that is actually we're gonna take that variable, and from here, we're gonna move back to the index, and we are gonna actually do an import for that variable, and we're gonna get it from, and let's reference exactly where contract params is, and now we've got that. Now what we need to do is we go down to the field where we actually have the address. We're going to replace that for that import that we've just made, smart contract address. And then, so we've imported smart contract. Let's actually do the same at web3.js. So that way we're going to be able to get that import, and we can just replace it over here. You see, so we don't have to replace the address everywhere. We just change it one place in the contracts params.js. And if we look at our browser, it's working perfectly. Nothing has changed. So let's go to the console logs to see what's happening here. If we go here, we'll find that the account is here. What that means is that you just have to change the address in one place, and it will automatically change it everywhere else.